The pace of technological change is relentless right now. AI is making decisions faster than humans. 5G is connecting billions of devices in real time, and blockchain is redefining security and finance. These innovations aren't just distant possibilities, they're already here, reshaping industries and daily life. In this video, we'll cover the 20 most important technology trends that are defining the future and changing how we live, work, and do business. Stick around to discover exactly what's driving these shifts and how they're impacting everything from healthcare to entertainment. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) have quickly become essential to nearly every industry, from personalized healthcare solutions to fraud detection in finance. AI is enabling machines to learn from data and make decisions with minimal human intervention. However, AI isn't without its challenges. Concerns about job automation and algorithmic bias are on the rise. Still, AI's market is booming, expected to reach $190 billion by 2025, with significant advancements in natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics. Number 2, 5G technology. 5G technology promises to be a game changer by delivering ultra-fast internet speeds, low latency, and the ability to connect millions of devices seamlessly. It's going to fuel the future of smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and IoT devices, allowing them to communicate in real time. However, 5G rollout isn't without hurdles. High costs of infrastructure and regulatory issues in some regions have slowed down implementation. By 2026. The 5G market is expected to be valued at $667.95 as more devices become connected. Number 3, Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, is all about creating a connected network of physical devices, from smart refrigerators to industrial sensors that collect and exchange data. IoT applications are driving efficiency in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation, but security vulnerabilities are a growing issue with more devices getting connected. Cyber attacks targeting IoT systems have surged. Despite these challenges, the IoT market is forecasted to reach $1.6 trillion by 2025, making it a pivotal technology in smart home cities and industrial processes. Number 4, edge computing. Edge computing brings data processing closer to the source of data, reducing the latency and bandwidth issues associated with cloud computing. It's particularly important for time-sensitive applications like self-driving cars and industrial automation, where real-time data processing is critical. The global edge computing market is expected to grow by $4 billion in 2020 to $15.7 billion in 2025, driven by the growing adoption of IoT and the need for faster data processing. The downside: managing distributed edge networks can be complex and costly, requiring robust infrastructure. Number 5, blockchain technology. Blockchain is most commonly associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential goes far beyond that. Blockchain offers a decentralized, secure, and transparent way to record transactions, which is being applied in industries like finance, supply chain management, and healthcare. For instance, blockchain can verify the origin of products and supply chains or ensure the integrity of medical records. But blockchain still faces hurdles. Its energy consumption and scalability are major issues. By 2025, the blockchain market is expected to grow to $39.7 billion, but widespread adoption will depend on overcoming these challenges. Number 6, augmented reality, AR and virtual reality. VR, AR, and VR are transforming the way we experience the world, offering immersive digital environments in everything from gaming to training simulations. AR overlays digital elements onto the real world. Think Pokemon Go, while VR immerses users in a completely virtual space. Industries like real estate and education are adopting these technologies for virtual tours and interactive learning. But the cost of high-end equipment remains a barrier. Despite that, the AR/VR market is projected to reach $29.2 billion by 2025, driven by advancements in hardware and 5G networks. Number 6, quantum computing. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, but has the potential to revolutionize industries that require massive computational power. Unlike traditional computers, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits, which can process a vast number of possibilities simultaneously. This makes quantum computing particularly valuable for solving complex problems in drug discovery, cryptography, and optimization. However, the technology is still experimental and practical applications are limited by issues like error rates and stability. Despite this, quantum computing is attracting massive investments from companies like Google and IBM, and the market could reach $64.98 billion by 2030. Number 8, Robotic Process Automation RPA is about automating repetitive tasks that typically require human intervention, whether it's processing invoices in the finance sector or automating customer service interactions. RPA is transforming how businesses operate. The benefit: employees can focus on higher value tasks, while software bots handle the mundane stuff. However, RPA implementation comes with high upfront costs and requires maintenance. The RPA market is expected to grow from $1.89 billion in 2020 to $3.74 billion by 2028. But companies must balance automation with potential job losses. Number 9, enhancing cybersecurity as cyber attacks grow more sophisticated. Cybersecurity technologies are evolving to defend against them. AI-driven threat detection systems, zero-trust architectures, and advanced encryption methods are becoming the new norm. However, keeping up with rapidly evolving threats is a challenge, especially for industries that handle sensitive data like finance and healthcare. The cybersecurity market is expected to reach $48.26 billion by 2024, but the constant need for innovation and adaptation means businesses need to stay vigilant. Number 10, sustainable technology. Sustainable technology focuses on reducing the environmental impact of industries by leveraging green energy recycling and waste management innovations, from solar panel to green manufacturing processes. The focus is on sustainability as regulations tighten globally, but scalability remains a concern. Green technologies often require large initial investments, and the global infrastructure isn't always equipped to handle the shift away from fossil fuels. Sustainable tech market is projected to grow from $36.6 billion by 2027, with industries like transportation, energy, and manufacturing leading the way. Number 11, human augmentation. Human augmentation is enhancing human abilities through exoskeletons. Wearable technology and brain-computer interfaces, for instance. Exoskeletons are helping individuals with mobility challenges walk again, while brain-computer interfaces allow users to control devices with their thoughts. However, concerns around accessibility and privacy remain. The market for human augmentation is expected to grow to $298.50 billion 2027, driven by demand in healthcare, defense, and personal productivity tools. Number 12, AI augmented development. AI is now revolutionizing software development by automating code generation, testing, and debugging tools like GitHub. Copilot suggest code snippets in real time, significantly speeding up the development process. However, developers need to remain cautious, as over-reliance on AI tools could introduce security vulnerabilities as companies push for faster software delivery. AI augmented development is becoming essential for maintaining competitiveness. Number 13, industry. Cloud platforms industry. Cloud platforms offer tailored solutions for specific industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. These platforms provide specialized tools to meet regulatory compliance requirements while boosting operational efficiency. For example, healthcare cloud platforms streamline patient data management and support care coordination. However, the challenge lies in ensuring data security and interoperability between platforms. The market for industry cloud platforms is expected to reach $83 billion by 2025. Number 14, smart apps. Smart apps leverage AI and machine learning to provide personalized user experiences and automate tasks. These apps are being used across sectors like finance, healthcare, and retail to improve customer engagement and operational efficiency. For example, smart investment apps offer tailored financial advice, while healthcare apps assist in diagnostics. However, data privacy remains a concern as these apps collect sensitive user information. The market for smart apps is projected to grow to $62.4 billion by 2025. Number 15, democratized generative AI. Generative AI, which creates new content like text, images, or music, is becoming more accessible. This trend is enabling businesses and individuals to leverage powerful AI tools without needing deep technical expertise. Tools like DALL-E are already transforming marketing, entertainment, and design. However, as generative AI becomes democratized, concerns about copyright infringement and misuse of content are rising. Number 16, continuous threat exposure countermeasure. CTE tools enable organizations to continuously monitor and address vulnerabilities in real time. This proactive approach helps businesses stay ahead of cyber threats and comply with security standards. While CTE systems are improving, cybersecurity managing them can be resource-intensive. Sectors like finance, healthcare, and government are adopting these tools to protect sensitive data. Number 17, AI trust risk and security management. AI Trism. Frameworks focus on building ethical and transparent AI systems by addressing risks related to bias, privacy, and accountability in industries like healthcare. AI Trism ensures that algorithms provide fair and accurate diagnosis. While in finance, it helps prevent discriminatory practices. However, achieving full transparency in complex AI systems remains a challenge as AI adoption grows. AI Trism frameworks will become critical for maintaining trust. Number 18, platform engineering. Platform engineering integrates cloud infrastructure, DevOps tools, and development platforms to streamline the software delivery process. This approach allows businesses to scale operations efficiently and deploy applications faster. However, implementing platform engineering solutions require significant investment in infrastructure and expertise. As businesses prioritize agility and scalability, the demand for platform engineering tools is expected to rise. 19, machine customers. Machine customers are AI systems that can make autonomous purchasing decisions on behalf of businesses or individuals. These systems analyze data, predict needs, and place orders without human intervention. For example, AI power chatbots can reorder supplies for a company when stock runs low. While this trend improves efficiency, it raises concerns about control and accountability over automated processes as companies explore this concept further. B2B and B2C transactions will increasingly rely on machine customers. Number 20, augmented connection workforce. The augmented connected workforce leverages remote collaboration tools, AI insights, and wearable devices to enhance productivity. This trend is especially relevant in the era of hybrid work models where teams need to collaborate from different locations. Tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams have become essential for communication, while wearable tech monitors worker health and safety. However, companies must balance employee privacy with performance tracking to avoid ethical concerns. The workforce management tools market is forecasted to grow to $9.3 billion by 2026. There you have it, the 20 game-changing technology trends shaping the future as we speak. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below for more interesting topics. Make sure to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.